Number 1. Back to the drawing board. It's meaning to start again because the first plan failed. For example, our project didn't work, so we went back to the drawing board. Number 2. Burn the midnight oil. It's mean to study or work late at night. For example, she burned the midnight oil to prepare for her exams. Number 3. Cost an arm and a leg. It means very expensive. For example, that new mobile phone costs an arm and a leg. Number 4. A drop in the ocean. It means a very small amount compared to what is needed. For example, my help was just a drop in the ocean. Number 5. A blessing in disguise. It means something that seems bad at first but turns out good later. For example, failing the test was a blessing in disguise because I studied harder next time.